I'm Laila, an economics student at the University of Sheffield, and today I'll be taking you through a day in my life. Today I'm going to be starting with my day at the supermarket, so let's go do some food shopping. The reason I particularly choose to come to the supermarket is because it has a lot of diverse options, and it just makes it the perfect place to be because it's close to the city and you can come here by bus or walking if you do live in city accommodation. There's a lot of options here, so it's kind of hard to pick, but I always love coming to this section in particular. So I just got done with my food shopping and I'll go drop my things off home, and then I have a lecture to go to, so come along with me. So Western Park is Arena and I's favorite place on campus. We love to come here and just sit, play with the ducks, feed them, and also just enjoy the beautiful scenery. So let me tell you a bit about my course. I'm a dual student currently in my second year doing economics and politics. We get to discover a lot of different modules that are very diverse, ranging from econometrics and mathematics to human rights and violence. So it's been a great journey so far and I've been really enjoying it, and you should definitely consider it if you want to do a dual course. Okay, so let's go to our lecture. So we've arrived at the Wave. It's the new social sciences building, the most modern building at the University of Sheffield and the newest building. We spend a lot of our time here. There's a lot of study spaces, lecture theatres, workrooms, seminar rooms, and today our lecture is in Lecture Theatre 1. So this is our first lecture for ECN 2-1, Intermediate Microeconomics. We're really excited to see how it's going to go because it really lets you delve deeper into microeconomics, especially since we've only learned the basics last year, and we've heard a lot of good things about this module, so we're really excited to go. I've just finished my lecture and now I'm going over my study notes at the Wave Study Space. It's one of the best places to study on campus and it's definitely my favorite place. After your lecture, you can always head down to the Student Union since they almost always have something going on and it's a great place to be. They have a lot of fairs, events, poster sales. You can even also grab a coffee with your friends. These all look really nice, especially these. They're really good for your room too. Share where you have traveled from to study here. So I've lived in Dubai for the past 15 years. So I traveled from all the way over here to Sheffield, which is a really long way on the map. After I finish my day in university and my lectures, I come to my part-time job as a residence life mentor at the University of Sheffield. My job is to be responsible for a specific number of mentees and to ensure that they have a good experience living in student accommodation, no matter what year they might be in or what major they're doing. I'm here as a point of contact just to make sure everyone's having a good time, and so far it's been a really fun experience. I've had a wonderful team and wonderful staff to work with, and I'm just enjoying it. So this has been a day in my life as an economics student at the University of Sheffield. I really love studying here and I definitely recommend it.